morning everybody, what is up? Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be yet another college day in my life video. If you guys are new, my name is Amy and I go to Ryerson University in Toronto. And yeah, I'm basically just going to be sharing with you guys another college day in my life. You guys seem to absolutely love these videos every time I do them, so I thought I would do yet another one for you today. Like I said, today is Tuesday. It is February 2nd and it is currently 9:56. I have class at 10 this morning. Sometimes it's a Zoom class. It's like my public relations class. Other times she just kind of releases materials and then you like read over everything and then you just do a quiz at the end. So yeah, I think that is where we're gonna start off today. Also, this video is super exciting because it is a collab with one of my friends here on YouTube, Ashley. I will have her video on her channel linked down below. She's also doing a college day in my life, so you can see like two different perspectives, which is super cool. But yeah, definitely go check her out. Like I said, it'll be linked down below. And if you are here from Ashley's channel, hello, welcome. I'd love if you guys would subscribe and stick around. I make college and lifestyle videos, so if that's of interest to you, definitely subscribe. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you guys like my college day in my life. You guys normally absolutely love them, which is why I love filming them. But yeah, it's currently 9:58. I'm gonna check if this material is up. So yeah, he just released it. So there's just a lecture from him and then a TED Talk to watch and then a quiz. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that started and then I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so I just finished my quiz and all of that. You guys saw me doing that. It's now 10:50, so it's not that much later. But yesterday I actually made a to-do list, or started making a to-do list of what I wanted to get done today. So I'll show you guys how I set that up. Okay, so I honestly just used the back of this page because I have like a huge stack of them and I never use the front. So I just use this blank page and I have these little stickers from Personal Planner. I did a collab with them a little while ago. If I have a coupon code, I'll put it down below for you guys. But I can scratch this off. So I had my PR class and then I have an internship call at 1. I will talk about that in a minute. And then I just have to do a week 3 checklist for one of my classes, which is due tomorrow. And then edit and schedule a video for tomorrow, which is the video you guys are seeing right now. So yeah, basically I have a call at 1 o'clock for my internship. I just got an internship. I like signed the contract and everything like a week ago. But I'm a marketing intern and it's really, really cool. I just wanted to get some experience. It's honestly a lot doing it with like school and internship and YouTube, but I honestly tend to thrive more when I have more on my plate and when I'm busier. So yeah, but I genuinely just wanted to get some experience, get something on my resume, which I think is super important for everybody to consider. But yeah, so like I said, I'm a marketing intern, so I just have a call with her about something because she wants to go over something she wants me to do. And yeah, then I just have to do that other stuff for my class tomorrow. A lot of it's just reading and then doing like discussion boards. And then obviously I have to edit and schedule this video you guys are seeing tomorrow. So I'm filming it the day before. So yeah, that is really the plan for today. Nothing too crazy, but still want to be productive and get things done. So like I said, it's 10:52 now. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this week 3 checklist so I can just get things going. Okay, I started writing my notes and then I was like, okay, I literally need a coffee. Otherwise, I'm not gonna be able to survive the day. So we're going to make coffee with our Starbucks coffee. I'll show you guys how I make my coffee. So I have my cup. It's nice. Okay. And then I just take the Starbucks iced coffee blonde roast, unsweetened, and just, you guys can't see, like there. I leave, it's probably too much, but that's okay. And then I just take a half and half, put that in there, and then I just give it a little stir. And like I said, I put too much in here. And then I take this skinny syrup. It's salted caramel flavor. I just get this from like Marshall's, Winners. And I don't really know how you're supposed to measure this. It's probably like way too much. Everybody's probably like freaking out, but I like mine really sweet. Yeah, that is basically how I make my coffee. It's really simple and easy and so much cheaper than buying a Starbucks every day. Super, super good. So now hopefully that will help me write my notes, because we were struggling there for a second. I was like, I cannot focus, I need coffee. So okay, you guys, so I'm still working on my notes. I got about like 4 pages done so far, but there's just like so much reading for this class. It's like pretty much self-taught, so she basically just sends us like a ton of like textbook readings. I feel like by the end of the semester it's like one of those classes where you will read the entire textbook like page to page, and there's just like videos. I'm literally still on, I think, like the second reading. Yeah, so there's a lot of reading. So obviously I'm just trying to work my way through it, but it is currently 12:54, so I have my call in 6 minutes with my, for my internship. I just have my AirPods here and it's just on Google Meet, so I'm just gonna join it in a couple minutes. Just trying to be productive, trying to just keep working. So I'm gonna hop on this call. I think she only scheduled it for half an hour, so I don't think it's gonna be that long. We're just gonna go over a couple things for me to work on before our next call on Thursday. And then I will get back to doing these notes and I'll chat with you guys after the call is done. Okay, hello everybody. It is now 2 o'clock and my call only lasted like 15 minutes, so it wasn't that long at all. I'm just watching Brooke Michio's new vlog and I'm just kind of chilling. I think it's really important to like take some time throughout the day, no matter how busy you are, just to like regroup. Otherwise my brain will not like retain any information that I'm doing in school, and then it's just like a waste of time pretty much. I've been like assigned a bunch of work to do for my internship for Thursday, so I need to kind of take a look on that. I think I might focus on that kind of tomorrow. I do have class for like 6 hours tomorrow. Wednesdays are like my terrible day when it comes to school, because I have class from like 12 to 3 and then 3 till 6, and a lot of the times it does go like the full scheduled class time. So yeah, Wednesdays are always like honestly a headache. I'm just feeling a little frazzled and overwhelmed, so just drinking some water, trying to hydrate, and yeah, but I feel like times like this, there's like no time to stop and breathe. Like you just need to keep going, because once everything gets done, you feel so much better. Like I just have like no motivation, even though I have so much to do. Okay everybody, it is now about 4:30 and I have barely moved this whole day. I'm still doing readings and notes for this class. There's a lot of stuff every week really to do for this class. Like I said earlier, it's pretty much self-taught, so basically going through all the material yourself. It typically takes me a whole day to do this class, which is very frustrating at times, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here, just because honestly I think it's already at a good length and I just want to be able to get it up tomorrow for you guys. I think moving forward I'm gonna stop doing day in my lives and kind of transition over to week in my lives. I feel like that would be a lot more interesting for you guys. There would be less videos, like I would obviously upload a different video between the week in my lives, but then that way you just have like a longer vlog and it's more entertaining because I'll be doing more things throughout the week. So I think maybe starting next week I will begin to film a week in my life. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here just so I can go ahead and edit it for you guys and get it up for you by tomorrow morning. Again, don't forget to check out Ashley's video and her channel. It will all be linked down below. And if you guys are new here, definitely be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon with a brand new video. Bye!